So I received this little bear in the mail. It is my sister-in-law's sister's, and it was made by one of my dearest friend's mother years and years and years ago, and it needs a little repair on the face. So I am going to attempt to do that. First thing I need to do is make a pattern, and then I'm just going to hand stitch it on. I think if I took this whole thing apart, I would have some trouble getting it back together. On closer inspection of this little bear, it looks like there's a few other places that are going to need fixing, and he's lacking stuffing, probably after all these years. You know, what do you expect? So I'm going to go ahead and open up the seam, add stuffing. I don't think I'll replace all the stuffing, but I'll add stuffing to him, and then we will do some repairs after that. Well, leg one is restuffed. You can see the difference there. And arm one is restuffed. See the difference there? The old stuffing all matted. So now we'll start working on the body and the head. Okay, we have him stuffed enough to start mending that. I like to stuff that nose a little more once that's done. Right now we just have safety pins back here to hold them together while I work on the repairs. All right, I wasn't going to wash this little guy because he's ancient and I didn't want anything to happen, but I decided to use a couple of my delicate bags so we can see how he came out. And he's all in one piece. Looks like stitching held together. Tried to put a little back on him. I think I mentioned that earlier. So, a little hard to see in here. Stuffed in. Yep. Finishing touches. Put little lips on him, I think. Maybe a bow. Him or her. I don't know what she is. Alright, there you go. Well, our little bear washed up just fine. His nose is still a little indented. I couldn't get the stuffing to hold that out. I don't know what the deal is, but I tried. The little mouth that used to be there is gone, so I thought I would embroider on a cute little heart. See how that